Hey guys, it has been a lazy day. It's been raining pretty much since we woke up. It rained all night. At least it didn't turn into snow though. That means that it's still warm enough that it hasn't started snowing. But look up there. You see that book? I have a story that I wrote in that book. I got me my awesome, spectacular, super duper chocolate fix. I like me a good chocolate treat, if you know what I mean, jelly bean. But I am power eating the chocolate, guys, because I am I am on page 28 of 185 words of my novel. It's killing me, guys. It's killing me because this is just the first novel in a series, and I'm supposed to be working on the second novel right now, and I am so behind, but it is what it is. Can't change fate. I just gotta get on the grind and work at it, guys. But check it out. I'm trying not to show you everything, but really quick I might do a quick flash of my novel. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I don't give away all my goodies in one basket. But this is what my day is consisting of. Chocolate and writing. Guys, I'm not gonna really vlog too much today just because certain plans that we had kind of fell through, and I'm super duper irked about it. And yeah, bottom line, everybody has a bad day, everybody gets mad, and everybody has a mood, and today that is me. So catch you in the next clip. For those of you that follow me on Musical.ly, Bella has officially left a message for you. Pretty much. Please give the emoji love when I'm online. Anyway, let's go see what she's doing.
My eyes itching.
Don't be touching it. Huh? She doesn't have a sty anymore. Yay! Thank you, John and the D's, for that awesome, helpful tip. And also, thank you, Leisha, for the suggestion you gave me, because it cleared out like no other. You are amazing. I love you more than you even can imagine. Leisha, you're my girl. And I know you're watching this video, so you are the best. Thank you for that tip. Anywho, she's better. Tell her. Thank you, Leisha.
Thank you, Leisha.
And John.
And John.
Because you helped too.
And you helped too.
I just poked you. Just kidding. We're just like, dude, it's raining and there's not a whole lot that we can vlog for you today. It's just us here. Rain, rain, go away.
Come again another day.
Winter's coming. Oh no, no.
Wait, I have a good one.
And yet she stops the flow. What?
I forgot that one, like with the old man was snoring.
Sing it.
Rain, rain, go away. Old man. Mom. What was that one, like with the old man?
It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Wait, okay. It's raining, it's
true. Hey, come on.
It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. The old man.
Just trying to help.
What? It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. The old man pooped or peed in the bed. What? That's how people at my school.
Don't say that on YouTube. Dum bum bum bum. It's not like I really did it.
But it sounds gross. It's like bum 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 bum.
Isn't her curtain pretty? Mr. Bear kicking back.
Oh right, that's right. I forgot to do something with his hands.
Well, I see you. Yeah, you over there in your corner. What's up? Yo! No, that's what I'm talking about right there. Bear has some style. He's cool, Mr. Bear. Oh, look at Mr. Contemplative. Well, I don't know, Watson. I deduce that you're missing a candle. Please see page 45 for details. This one wants a snow day. See, where we're from, the very first snowstorm of the year, we're never prepared for. So everything gets shut down for the entire day. So, yeah. You'd think they'd be ready, but what else? And I will show you. Ooh, look at that lighting. I mean, it's raining right now, but... Oh, holiday season is officially in tow, guys. That means November is a month about sharing what you're grateful for. Hashtag grateful. What are you grateful for? Comment me down below. What am I grateful for? This one, right there. Because I can't even get her on the camera. This girl knows how to make somebody laugh. Quite well. And she's nurturistic, and she's caring, and she's my baby girl, and forever, ever, ever will I be grateful. Don't forget to count your blessings, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Be grateful for those you have around you and that what you have, because it's never permanent. And if you're too busy not appreciating what you have now, you're gonna regret it when you're missing it later. So, guys, remember, that's why I say to live, love, and enjoy, because you really only get one shot, and that's it. Like, finite.
One shot finger. What did I touch? One shot finger.
Make it count.